If you want to play Minecraft well and comfortably, you must have a good gaming PC. This is because Minecraft, like most other games nowadays, necessitates a significant amount of computing power to play smoothly without choppiness. If your game isn't running smoothly, you'll have a hard time enjoying and performing well in Minecraft. To avoid this issue, you'll need a powerful gaming PC, and we've identified the best Minecraft PCs in this video, so let's get started. If you're new to Rocket Review, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more videos like this. Without further ado, let's dive into it. Skytech Archangel 3.0. The Skytech Archangel 3.0 is the best Minecraft PC overall. It's an incredibly powerful computer outfitted with some of the best components available today. The machine performs admirably in gaming and also ideal for general computer use. The Ryzen 7 3700X CPU, NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU, and 16GB of RAM inside the computer are what makes it so powerful. When all those components are combined, you get a powerful machine that can handle gaming, especially Minecraft, very well. Because of its power, this computer can easily handle other tasks like streaming, rendering, graphic design, multitasking, 4K, and almost anything else you need it to do. You also get a 1TB solid-state driver for computer storage, which is more than enough for most people. This computer also comes with a free gaming mouse and a keyboard. You can feel confident about your purchase because it comes with a free 1-year warranty on parts and labor. Overall, Skytech Archangel is a fantastic and powerful pre-built computer that will perform admirably in Minecraft and any other game. It's also excellent for general computer use as well as for specialized applications such as streaming, multitasking, and so on. Skytech Blaze 2. Skytech Blaze 2 is an excellent low-cost gaming PC. This PC is less expensive than the previously recommended PC, but it still has enough power to deliver fast computer speeds. This computer includes a Ryzen 5 3600 CPU, an NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU, and 8GB of DDR4 RAM. These components provide ample power for gaming, streaming, and whatever other tasks you may require the computer to perform. This desktop will easily handle Minecraft, and you'll be able to play with mods, shaders, and higher settings while maintaining high FPS and smooth gameplay. A 500GB solid-state drive is included for storage with this computer, and you also get a free gaming mouse and keyboard. A free 1-year warranty is also included. Overall, the Blaze 2 is a fantastic budget-friendly gaming computer with excellent performance for all of your needs. Playing Minecraft and other games will be a breeze with it. Regular desktop use is also beneficial, as this will handle streaming and all other computer tasks admirably. Alarco Gaming Computer. The Alarco Gaming Computer is the most affordable gaming and Minecraft computer. This computer is an excellent choice if you're on a tight budget, as it has a reasonable amount of power, and with this machine, you get a lot of bang for your buck. An i5 2400 CPU, an NVIDIA GTX 650 GPU, and 8GB of RAM are among the internal specifications. You'll be able to game and play Minecraft with decent frame rates and graphics if you have these specifications. The computer will also be able to handle all standard computer tasks with ease. The Alarco PC comes with a free 1-year warranty, which is an excellent protection for your investment. The case itself has nice aesthetics as well as controlled RGB lighting, which is a big plus for this price range. The Alarco Gaming PC is a fantastic, low-cost computer option. It'll handle gaming and Minecraft admirably, as well as the rest of your computer tasks with ease. Acer Predator Helios 300. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is the best portable gaming and Minecraft PC because this PC is a laptop and it's extremely portable and simple to set up. It can be easily moved from one location to another, allowing it to be used while on the go or traveling. Despite its portability and compact size, this PC is extremely powerful. An i7 11800H CPU, an NVIDIA RTX 3060 GPU, and 16GB of DDR4 RAM are among the internal components. This puts the computer on par with the first recommended computer on this list in terms of power. It's going to perform admirably in all games including Minecraft. General computer use as well as streaming and multitasking will be a breeze with this machine. One fantastic feature of this laptop is its 144Hz display, which is ideal for competitive gaming as well as enjoyment. Overall, the Predator Helios 300 is an excellent portable gaming PC that is ideal for you whenever you're on the go or if you travel frequently. G5 Dell. The CPU is an Intel Core i7, the GPU is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, the RAM is 8GB, the storage is 512GB, the weight is 18.21 pounds. This Minecraft PC delights users with up to 9th Gen Intel Core i7 processors, exceptional efficiency and responsiveness. It ensures that your gaming experience will not be disrupted by any unnecessary delays. The Dell G5 is easily expandable and comes with the latest NVIDIA GeForce GTX and RTX graphics for high-end gaming and VR support. Even if you play continuously, you won't overheat thanks to optimal 45W or 95W CPU cooler airflow and up to 4,500 450 RPM system fans and 45 5.5cc feet per minute. Furthermore, the Alienware Command Center allows you to configure 4 thermal settings based on whether you're working, studying, playing games, or watching media. The Asus ROG Strix. It has an AMD Ryzen 5 GeForce GTX 1660, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, 24.3 pound weight. The AMD Radeon graphics high frame rate contribute to smooth and fast playback. The ROG Strix incorporates a powerful AMD Ryzen processor for competitive and creative tasks like video editing and streaming. The GA15 ensures fast charging and data transfer via a single reversible Type-C, that's a USB-C port, with a maximum bandwidth of 10GB over USB 3.2 Gen 2, as well as 5 Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports with enough space to accommodate the user's peripheral devices. The highly efficient Minecraft processors combined with thorough cooling makes the PC suitable for all intensive tasks, including gaming. The processor, graphics card, and power supply are all housed in separate compartments in the multi-zone chassis to reduce thermal noise and ambient temperatures. HP Obelisk's Omen. CPU, Intel Core i9, GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080, 32GB RAM, and 1TB of storage. The HP Omen Obelisk is a decent mid-range Minecraft desktop computer that sits somewhere between the Pavilion line and the Omen X, which is aimed at professionals and enthusiasts willing to spend a lot of money. This PC prioritizes efficiency, assuring large display, RGB lighting, and an upgradable open architecture to provide users with the ability to play all modern games right out of the box. This machine is more than capable of running 1440p games at full resolution. According to NVIDIA, the PC is ready for the looming ray tracing fueled future of gaming because it includes a powerful Core i7 8700 and an RTX 2080. The presence of a non-K processor demonstrates that HP will not redesign and modernize the Omen Obelisk. Nonetheless, its excellent chip can run any existing game as well as those that will be released shortly. This PC's 4K resolution is adequate, but you'll need to tweak a few settings if you want a smooth 60 frames per second. How do I select the best Minecraft PC? The CPU is the most important factor to consider when selecting a PC to play Minecraft on. This game can be played on low-cost CPUs, especially when combined with low-cost discrete graphics cards. Because Minecraft is capable of rendering a large number of objects within the game, the performance of a low-cost PCU and the high-priced PCU will differ significantly. If you intend to play Minecraft with a discrete graphic card, I recommend at least an Athlon 3000G. Those who want to play Minecraft without a discrete graphics card at any resolution should consider the R5 3400G. Its graphic processor is the best integrated GPU available today. GPU requirements for Minecraft. If you avoid shader modes, Minecraft will not place a high demand on your GPU. With a powerful CPU and integrated graphics, you won't need a graphics card to play most games. However, if you want to improve performance, even a less powerful graphic card will suffice. I recommend that your Minecraft computer build include a graphics card for the best results. A discrete graphics card is required for optimal in-game performance. If you intend to install shader mods, by the way, here's a fun fact about Minecraft scales with no resolution. The difference in hardware requirements between 1080p and 4K resolution is not as pronounced as it is in the other games. The Vega 11 iGPU of the R5 3400G CPU is recommended as the cheapest GPU with seamless frame rates when playing at 1600 x 900 or 1080p. On the highest settings, you should choose an RX 560 or higher for 1440p in terms of 4K resolution. The RX 570 or higher is a good bet. RAM requirements for Minecraft. According to the minimum Minecraft PC requirements, you should have at least 2GB of RAM. Even so, it's recommended that you run the game with 4GB of RAM, especially if you're enabling the highest setting. 8GB of RAM is ideal as an option because it allows you to give Minecraft more RAM, reducing loading time and improving performance. Graphics. For configuring general graphics settings, Minecraft provides two options, Fancy and Fast. Fancy activates qualitative graphic effects such as larger rain particles and the transparent textures of leaves instead of simple blocks. A black vignette surrounding the screen's edges in dimmed areas, and a red warning vignette effect that appears once you reach the world border. The Fast option disables all of these fantastic effects, thereby improving performance. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any other amazing videos from us. Until next time,